Diana and Noah. Hello. Choo-choo. No!
Officer Mommy, what happened?
The thief stole my ice cream.
I really don't like thieves. Don't worry, police will help you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Let's find the criminal. Got him! Got him! Don't move! This is your ice cream.
Yay! Thank you. Choo-choo.
Welcome. Come on.
Hello.
What's wrong with your cat?
Her paw hurts.
Don't worry. I'm professional vet. Come on.
Fish.
I'm sure bandage will help.
Okay.
Good cat. All set. You can go.
Thank you, doctor. Hello.
Welcome to my bakery.
Agia. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come. Okay.
I have a watermelon juice and baguette.
Okay.
Aha. Yum, 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 yum. You choose. Yummy. You're welcome. Bye-bye, Oliver.
Let's go. Excuse me?
What's happening?
Can I send this?
A parcel? Oh, let's start. Oopsie.
Oh no.
Don't worry, everything is under control.
Sorry. Okay. Super. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. SeaWorld.
Wow! Welcome, everyone!
Oliver, let's start.
Come on.
Yay!
Chubby.
Uh-oh.
Hello.
Oliver!
No.
Let's go!
Yeah!
Lunchtime!
Hello. This cake. Okay, Mommy.
Yummy!
My bye.
Come on! Wow! Bye-bye!
Let's go.
Come on.
Yay! Let's go! Wow!
Let's drive. Oliver, high five.
Wow!
Uh-oh. Chubby.
Oliver! Oh no!
Come on, let's go. Look.
Purple.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello!
Yay!
Come on! Come on!
Fire!
Good job.
Yeah! Yummy, yummy!
Yay! Family day! Thank you. La 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 la. SeaWorld, Abu Dhabi.
Wow!
Wow! So beautiful! Look!
Look at me! Hey! Hello, hello, hello!
Hello! Wow! What is this? Let's go! Hello, hello, hello!
So beautiful.
Hello. Beautiful. Do you want to look? Come on, come on. Oopsie. Wow. You're so beautiful.
Hi! Hi!
Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Lunchtime. Bon appetit. Yummy, yummy. I want to go there.
Okay!
Yeah! Yay! Oliver, come, come. Yes, yes. Wow! Cool! I like it. And then
Hello there, everybody!
High five.
let's go. Woohoo! Wow, it was cool. Go, go, go.
Come on.
Yes!
Shark.
Yeah!
Come on.
Yoo-hoo! This was fun. Cool.
Goodbye! Goodbye!
Bye bye. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Hello. Let's go to playground.
Yay! Welcome. Whoa.
Nice driving.
Let's go!
Oh boy!
Sit down, Oliver. Choo-choo-choo. Toy City, Toy City. Oh, we made it. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Let's play.
Okay. Oops. Come on. Yay!
Let's start.
Woo! Yeah!
Yummy. Hello, hello. Ho, ho, ho. Let's tickle him.
Ooh.
Hi.
Hello. Good.
Sit down.
Okay.
Let's drive.
Hey, hey!
Look, Oliver. Woohoo.
Super duper!
Whoa.
Oliver, do you like it?
Yes.
Give me 5. Wow. Let's go. Woohoo.
Wow.
Mwah. Score it, Oliver.
Wow.
Oliver, Oliver, Oliver.
Hello. Help! Oops. Daddy.
Hey, hey!
Come on, come here.
Okay.
Oh, Oliver. Yeah. Bye bye.
Wow. 3D shapes. Cool. Interesting. What inside? Sphere. Wow. Sphere. Ooh, let's see what's in the next cabin. Cute. Red cube. Blue cube. Oliver, you have a yellow cube. Go! Cylinder! Wow! Meow? Hello. Wow. Yay! Oh, so cute. Wow! Amazing! Cylinder! Yay! Cuboid! Cuboid shape! I'm amazing wall! Let's build a wall! Yeah, let's build a wall! Let's go! Ready! Great job! We built the wall! Yay! Wow! Last one left! Pyramid! Hi! Hello! Hi there! Wow! Pyramid! Wow! Yay! Bye-bye! Mama! Oliver, I need to study. You need to study too. Okay. Are you ready? First, we'll teach shapes. This is cute. Oliver, not interested? Okay, let's go. We need to collect. Square. Yay! Circle. Trapezoid. Rectangle. Triangle. Rhombus. Good job, Oliver. Next lesson, colors. Purple, green, pink, blue. You're not interested? No. Maybe big balls? Yellow, blue, pink, green, red. Wow! We need to put them in correct colors. Good job, Oliver! Nice.
Thank you.
Giraffe. Pandas. Hippos. Elephants. Wow. Now, next. This is one. Oliver? He likes to play cars. Okay. Do you like big cars? Oliver, are you ready? Yes. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Yay! You learned everything. Let's go do exercises. What is this? Nothing.
It's the Playstone! The land of play needs you! Boris is ruining the land of play slam dunkathon! We have to stop him!
Let's go!
Be the one you wanna be! Time to dress up!
Wow! I
We've got to get the crowd on our side! Roma, it's all you! Yay! Tough crowd. Oh man! There's no I in team, but there's 2 I's in boring Boris! Nice try, Roma! We need to raise the crowd's spirits to help Roma get his confidence back.
Woohoo! Yay!
You gotta do better than that.
Aha!
Come on, ref, that's a foul! Ooh, a balloon drop is perfect! But how are we going to get all the way up there? Great idea! It's done! The Duchess of Daring! And it looks like she's got a plan. 2, 4, 6, 8. Boredom is a thing we hate. You know it. You know the story. So tell the whole wide world this is play territory. It's working. Cheerleaders are the real athletes. Time for the grand finale. Now that was awesome! The land of play wins the slam dunk competition! Yay! Diana and Dawn brought the pep, and that's just what Roman needed. Go home team!
Yeah! We did it! Play, beat, and finish possible. Play, beat, be the one you wanna be. Be the one you wanna play. Beat.
Catch you soon.
Diana and Roma.
Oliver, watch out! Wow! Oliver, let's find out which object sink and which float.
Yoga! Oh, let's collect. Yeah, yahoo!
Come on, Oliver, come on!
Whoa! Chupi!
Good job! Let's check. Will the cars sink or float?
Sink. Let's start. Yahoo!
Oliver, you are right. Sink!
Yeah!
Watermelon! Look!
Oh.
Floating! Come on, come on! So heavy! Will big toy truck sink?
No!
It's floating! Oliver, how do you sink? Will the ball sink or float?
Foot.
Let's try! Yes! Plastic table! Float! Die blocks!
Wow!
It's dumbbells! So fast!
Wow!
Sink! put this house into the water.
Okay, Mommy. Shoot. Wow.
Thank you! Oliver, egg surprise!
Oh.
Let's take it!
Let's go.
Will the giant chocolate egg sink or float?
Yeah.
No? Kinder Surprise is float. This is ice. Will it sink or float?
Foot.
Little check. Yes.
Ah! Shooby.
Float.
Car tires!
Yahoo!
Drawing!
Floating.
Agree. Monkey. Cardboard.
Let's check it out. I think the airplane will float.
Sheep.
Wow. Float.
Foot.
Let's check Play-Doh!
Float.
Whoa.
Water balloon! So beautiful!
Floating.
Ducks? Wow! Roma, what are you doing? What? It's just an experiment.
What? Experiment? I like them. Roma, Diana, bring your things and we will check if they sink or float.
Let's go! What should I get? Interesting. Slime floats or sinks? Color pencils! La 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 la. Red diamonds. Sink or float? Look, are they gonna sink or float? Oopsie. Yeah! It is. Marbles.
Let's fill it with water.
Come on.
Done. Waiting for kids.
Daddy, we are ready for the experiment. I'm first. Slime.
Roma and Diana, what you think? Slime, sink or float?
Float. Sink.
Let's check.
Sink. My turn.
How about cars? It's sink or float?
Sink. I think sink too.
Cars.
Wow. Sink. Color pencils.
Does it sink?
No. Float.
Let's try.
Yay! Float.
How about this? It will sink or float?
Sink. Float.
Let's try.
Wow!
Oh, Roma, you were right. Pop it! I think it sinks. Floor.
Let's check. Come on.
Yeah! It flowed!
Another variant?
Yay! It sank! What?
You both won. It can sink and float.
How about blocks? I think it floats. Sink.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Float! 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 Float!
Hmm?
Float! Float!
Diamond.
Sink. Float!
Let's check.
Sink.
Dinosaurs. Sink or float?
I think float. Float too.
Let's go.
Yay!
Marbles.
Super! Sink. How about feather?
Come on, come on.
Float. Chalk. Wow. First float, then sink.
Wow, fantastic.
Guys, I have bad bugs. Oh. Cool. Smells good.
Diana, Roma, did you like it?
Yay! Best experiment! Let's do some experiments. I think that my experiments are the best. No, mine. Let's see. This experiment is called magic pencil. So you're taking the pencil and you're just gonna pop it. Okay, didn't work. Let's take it and pop it, but slowly. Yay! Wow! You can put a lot of pencils. Yay! One more. 3 inside. Looks like magic, but it's just science. My experiment is called edible crystals. Sugar. Next step, get a stick. Put it into syrup. Put it into sugar. Repeat over and over. Now, let's wait 1 day. You need syrup if you want them to grow. Grab a stick and pin them together like this. Now, put it in the cup. Now we need to wait a little more. Wow! Crystals ready. So beautiful. Let's try it. So yummy. I will give up to the whole family. My experiment is candy rainbow. Let's start. You put them in the rainbow order. Done. Now we pour the water. So cool. Wow. It's real candy rainbow. Do you like my experiment? My next experiment is called color flowers. First, color the water. Red. Green. blue, blue, red. Incorrect, correct, incorrect, correct. Science working! This experiment is called walking water. First, you pour the water in. You add the colors. Wow. Now you mix. You take the paper and you will put it like this. Now we need to wait. It's like a rainbow. Cool! Yay! My next experiment is called colored caterpillars. First, you get a tissue. Then, you grab a marker. I choose green. You make some lines. Choose one more color. Orange. You get a stick. And then, you roll it. Then, you put it together. Yes! The eyes! Finish! Let's add some water. Wow! I think I have new pets. This experiment is called colored lava. Safety first. Let's start. time for school. First day at school. I love school. Let's go. Need an extras.
What?
Diana, we have a rules. School uniform and backpack.
Oopsie. Hello.
Oh, this is better.
Yay! La 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 la.
Diana, no toys at school.
Only notebook and pencil. Sorry. Bye-bye. Everything that I need to school? Yes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Super!
Time for lunch.
Yummy!
Diana, only healthy food, please.
Ah, okay.
It's time for home.
Super! This was a great day! Guys, are you ready for school? Hi, teacher!
Please sit.
Hi.
What?
What happened?
Hi, Diana! Roma? Hello! Hi! Oh no! What should I do? I know what to do! Thank you! Super!
Can you do this work?
Huh? Wow.
Julian, come to the desk. Great job. Continue.
Oh no! Teacher, Roma, hurry up!
Roma, I will call your parents.
What?
Who did it? No. You should clean up here.
Okay. We're done.